We're in Embry Mill in North Stafford today touring two homes, the Rowan by Dries Homes and the Hopewell by Richmond American. Dries and Richmond American are the only two builders that still have single family options right now. The community will have more phases opening up, but if you're looking to build a new single family sometime soon, this is where you want to be. Richmond American has three models starting at 2,540 square feet and going up to 2,970 square feet. They go up to 3,590 square feet and even 4,150 square feet with all the bump outs. Their models start at a little lower base price of $635,990 and go up to $670,990. This is the Hopewell from Richmond American. Starting at 2,680 square feet, this home has the sunroom extension, making it a little larger than that. It's got 4 bedrooms and 4 full baths. And before we go and check it out, don't forget to call, text, email, check out the info on the screen or down below in the description to find out how you can get all the info you need on the free extras and incentives from the builder. But for now, let's go tour. So coming in the front door here, you can see how open everything is toward the back, but we're gonna start right here up front, where the first thing you see is this beautiful main level bathroom. Now, this is set up as a full bath in this case, along with a full bedroom over here to our left. This can be either this first level bedroom suite like they have it set up here. It can also be set up as a study with a half bath on this level. You've got a big closet, and one thing you can see here, this is a good example, you've got 9-foot ceilings on all 3 levels. That's something that Richmond American does in all of their homes here in Embry Mill, and 8-foot doors. And so as we walk through here, you can see just how that extends everything up and makes it feel so much bigger. As we come back through here, definitely one of the stars of the show is this kitchen. And so I'm gonna give you a little bit of a roundabout look here. You've got this huge bank of cabinets all the way against this wall with the gourmet option. A big 5-burner cooktop and a range. The glass tile back behind the range is very cool. And then as you come over here, it's hard to show just how big this island is. And so if you are someone that likes to entertain, if you like to cook, this is a really cool spot to do it. Back behind the kitchen, you've got this little nook. This is great for kids doing homework. This is great to put your laptop, little secondary office area depending on how often you're working from home. And then this massive walk-in pantry right off of this little nook here. Now to the back from the kitchen, we have this huge sunroom. It's got a cathedral ceiling and a ton of windows. It's set up here as a dining area, which is great. It keeps all this area back behind in the kitchen wide open. And then a sliding door, again, an 8-foot door that goes out to screen porch. This is a really unique feature. They can build this as a deck. They can build this as a covered porch, as a screen porch, and then if you're a little closer to the ground than we are in this case, you can even build this as a covered patio. Coming back into the house, right off the kitchen, everything is super wide open. You've got your family room, got a fireplace with this modern surround here and the TV hanging over it. And then one cool thing about this house is the stairs are tucked off to the side. They don't greet you right when you walk in the front door. And so you've got this really wide set of stairs. It can be carpet or wood. You've got a window keeping the stairwell really light and airy. And then as you come up onto the second level, the first thing you'll see is how open it is because of this loft. So this model comes standard with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths upstairs. This loft area that we're looking at here, this can be turned into a 4th bedroom with an extra full bath. So coming around here to the secondary bedrooms. So here's one of the secondary bedrooms, and you can see again those 9-foot ceilings. They've put those 8-foot doors up here on the 2nd level. Big closet there. Pretty similar secondary bedroom facing the front of the house, and another set of these big closet doors, and then the bath. So a really nice big double vanity, some great tile. It's got kind of a texture to it, and then the tub shower combo with tile that goes all the way to the ceiling. A linen closet right there behind the door. Something else that a lot of people really like about this model is this huge laundry room. So you've got your utility sink, a bunch of storage with these cabinets, a window, so that this room stays nice and bright, a big closet for storage and for hanging things. Back out here to the loft. Now let's check out the primary suite. So the first thing you'll notice when you walk into this primary suite is this tray ceiling. So you've already got 9-foot ceilings on this level, and then you're bumping it up another level with this tray ceiling and the crown that you've got in there. And then one of the really, really big wow factors of this home is this deluxe shower. So it's absolutely massive. You have this Roman entry where there's no door. You can see how beautiful this tile is. It goes all the way to the ceiling with these hex accents. The entire floor is tiled. This room is huge. You've got this seamless glass, rain shower head, a regular shower head, and then it's really smart how they put the controls right here on the wall where you come in instead of under the shower heads themselves. Big dual vanity, your water closet area, and then a really large walk-in master closet. So as we go downstairs, let's go back through here. You can see this wide open stairwell with the window. Let's go all the way down to the basement. So as we come down into the basement, you can see the style with the square pickets, this big chunky craftsman style, newel post, and this rec room really is big, especially for the size of this house. You've got this TV area, sort of a hangout, and then as you walk through, you've got this whole secondary area that's set up as a game area, a sitting room, and then the walk up to the backyard. Back behind that door, right now it's set up as storage. You could finish more space back there, and then the bath. So again, same theme, got really light colors. Everything is super modern. Again, tile goes all the way up to the ceiling with a really nice bath, either for your guests or when you're hanging out down in the basement. If you like what you see, send me a text, give us a call, send us an email. All the information is either on the screen or in the description down below. We love helping people find their dream homes, and we want to help you find yours.